News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Saira Mujtaba, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Division of Plant Physiology, ICAR, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Home Affairs, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut, Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research, and Narmada Control Authority. Applications are invited to attend online interview for various positions in the externally funded projects at the Division of Plant Physiology, ICAR, IARI, New Delhi. The eligible candidates are required to send their biodata in the enclosed pro forma along with self-attested scanned copy of the original documents to the email address dbtproject21@gmail.com, latest by 27th November 2021. After screening the applications, only the eligible candidates will be informed the details of online interview, that is date and time, by email. Original documents will be verified at the time of appointment. If any candidate is found to have submitted false claims at later stage, will be terminated with immediate effect. 1 post of project scientist, 1 post of research fellow, 3 posts of field or lab staff, 1 post of research associate 2 or principal project associate, and 1 post of JRF or SRF or research associate 1. The posts are purely temporary and will be filled on contractual basis, which may be extended periodically subject to the performance of the candidate till the termination of the project. The candidate shall not claim regular appointment at this institute as the post is coterminous with the project. Reporting time for online interview will be communicated and the candidate shall adhere to the instructions. Enclose the proof of experience, that is, no objection certificate if employed, and publications. The selected candidates will be required to produce all the original documents and medical certificate at the time of joining. Only the candidates meeting essential qualifications would be interviewed. Concealing of facts or canvassing in any form shall lead to disqualification of such candidates. In case of any disputes, it will be resolved in the jurisdiction of New Delhi Court only. The final results of the interview will be hosted on the Institute's website 10 days after the interview, so no phone calls will be entertained before that. Next is a memorandum by Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Applications are invited for filling up of 1 vacancy of stenographer, grade 1, in the Directorate of Extension by deputation basis, including short-term contract. Officers holding the post of stenographer under the central government or state government or union territory administrations or public sector undertaking or universities or recognized research institute or semi-government or autonomous bodies or statutory organizations are eligible to apply for the post. Necessary education qualifications and other requirements, including the pro forma for furnishing biodata, please visit the website www.agricoop.nic.in and www.krishivistar.gov.in. Suitable and willing officials may apply to the concerned authority by name within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar, along with duly attested photocopies of APARs for the last 5 years. Applications are invited to fill up 1 post of Assistant Manager cum Storekeeper in the non-statutory departmental canteen of Ministry of Home Affairs. Detailed advertisement is available at MHA's website at mha.nic.in, along with application format. Application format can be downloaded from the website and submit the same along with necessary documents on or before the due date to the concerned authority. The application should be received in this ministry within 45 days of publication of this notice. Applications are invited in online mode for the following teaching posts in the following colleges at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Fruit Science. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Vegetable Science. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Plant Protection Entomology. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Floriculture and Landscaping Architecture. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Natural Resource Management, Environmental Science. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Natural Resource Management, Plant Microbiology. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Basic Science, Biochemistry. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Basic Science, Statistics. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Social Science, English. 2 posts of Assistant Professors, Food Process Technology. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Food Process Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Food Plant Operation. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Dairy Technology. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Dairy Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Dairy Chemistry. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Food Microbiology. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Dairy Business Management. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Food Business Management. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Mathematics. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Farm Machinery and Power Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professors, Processing and Food Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Renewable Energy Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Electronic and Communication Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Information Technology. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Chemical Engineering and Nanotechnology. 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Mathematics. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Physics. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Chemistry. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Agriculture Biotechnology. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Agronomy. And 1 post of Assistant Professor, Plant Pathology. Please see Academic Qualification and Eligibility, Scorecard and other instructions on website www.svbpmeerut.ac.in. Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research, IIT Campus, Powai in Mumbai, an autonomous body under the administrative control of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, invites applications from eligible candidates for filling up an unreserved post of Accounts Officer 2 at the Mumbai Centre. The post is proposed to be filled on direct recruitment or deputation or absorption basis. The crucial date of determining the age limit shall be the closing date for receipt of applications from candidates in non-remote areas of India and not the closing date prescribed for those residing in remote areas such as Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Union Territory of Ladakh, Lahore and Spiti District and Pangi Subdivision of Chamba District of Himachal Pradesh, the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands or the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. The last date for receipt of application will be the working day falling after 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. For procedure of submitting applications, fee payable and other details, please visit the website www.samir.gov.in. Narmada Control Authority is a body corporate set up by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6A of the Interstate Water Disputes Act 1956 for the purpose of securing compliance with the implementation of the decision and direction of the Narmada Water Disputes Tribunal. The Narmada Control Authority has its headquarters at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Applications are invited from eligible and suitable officers for filling up 1 post of executive member in Narmada Control Authority, Indore, on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. are available at mowr.gov.in, dopt.gov.in and nca.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.